welcome back to the channel. I hope you had a lovely new year and hopefully you enjoyed my brand new intro for 2021. Today I'm going to share with you some of my hopes and plans for this channel and woodworking, and some new projects and new tools that you'll hopefully see me using in this new year. So let's get started. So, on to tools. I was so lucky over Christmas to receive lots of lovely new tools. The largest is of course this Xerox 12-inch mini lathe, which I've already used lots and lots, along with this lovely 8-piece set of Voca, I think that's how you say it, turning chisels. These chisels are really great and they are very nice to use. A tool that you saw in the video intro was my new Titan bench grinder, another great tool made by Titan. Both the lathe and the bench grinder will have separate review videos coming out in a wee while once I've given them a good long test. The long short of it is though that they are really great tools. I was also given this great drill stand which converts an ordinary drill into a pillar drill, and this works brilliantly. Finally, I was given this Ferrex electric screwdriver, which is another wonderful piece of kit. I've been given so many wonderful tools that for the meantime I don't see myself needing any others. Just quickly, I'd like to say a big thank you to everyone who got me these lovely tools. So, on to some future projects. Lots of upcoming projects will hopefully use the lathe as part of the project, as I'm trying to gain as much experience with the machine as possible. I'm looking to make a tool which would be great for any baker, especially if you like mince pies, some bowls, and maybe something musical. And what about some stationery like a pen? I also need to make a desk in the next wee while. I'm still undecided though whether or not if I'm to make a video about that. If you'd like to see a video about that, just leave a comment below and that will probably persuade me to make a video. So, I do have some goals for 2021, woodworking goals, and these range from wood turning to perfecting my joint making. As I've stressed earlier, I'm looking forward to working on the lathe and building up my skills and confidence. I also want to use more joints in my work, and I would really like to improve my mortise and tenon joint, as well as my dovetailing technique. I feel as though I'm using, well, way too many screws and not enough joints, so hopefully that will change. I'd also love it if we could get to 100 subscribers. We are almost there and I have a special video lined up for that 100 subscriber celebration. Now, just before I go, I would like to try and inspire you to try something new this year. This is easier said than done, and the challenge will be greater than ever before due to this, ongoing pandemic. Just give it a shot. Oh man, I kind of just felt like David Attenborough when I said that. Anyway, just give it a shot and you might surprise yourself. Actually, I'm going to rephrase that. You will surprise yourself. I completely speak from experience here. 8 months ago, I would have laughed off the suggestion to make a workbench, a birdhouse, an axe. 8 months ago, I had no idea what a table saw was, what a coping saw was, what a plane was, and even how to make videos in a YouTube channel. If you don't have a resolution for this year, try something new.